Hello everyone, my name is Gauri and today I am going to decorate one more corner of my garden. This is the area where I am going to decorate. First of all, I am going to make a painting. They are acrylic colors. I have mixed brown plus black and white to make this shade. Then I have mixed black and green color to make this darker green shade. Now just dab some colors like brown, sap green, black and chrome yellow. Start painting some simple flowers. I have taken pink color, mix white and red color to make this shade, and just paint flowers everywhere with pink, red, white, yellow. Use pastel green for the stem. Mix a bit of white and green color to make this pastel green color. Now paint some leaves with lemon yellow and sap green. Give some yellow shade on them. Now I am painting a girl. You can use a pencil as well to draw it first. Paint the dress with your favorite color. I am using chrome yellow and it's a bit transparent so that the background is looking like the design of a dress. Use black color to draw her hair. You can use brown as well or dark brown. Use off-white color to paint the skin of this girl. Write some cute related to garden and plants. I'm using a pen to give it a 3D look. It's done now. Second, I am painting a cushion with sap green color and chrome yellow. I am just making a simple design, some kind of ivy leaves. Use black color for the 3D look. And it's done. I have put the painting in white frame. This is also a DIY macrame plant hanger made by my sister. This is a hand painted pot. I have fixed some fake artificial ivy leaves on it. So this is how the whole setup looks. This area is covered, so बारिश वगैरह होने से भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. I have made this setup, these paintings some days back. The tutorial is available on my channel. You can check it out. Till then, bye bye. Take care.